Digestion of alcohol is not like the other food. Once alcohol is swallowed, a small amount is absorbed directly by the tongue and mucosal lining of the mouth. Although this amount is generally insignificant because residual alcohol leaves the mouth quickly. Alcohol dries the mouth and can even dehydrate your entire body. The drying effects of alcohol can result in a white tongue, a condition that occurs when papillae become inflamed and bacteria and dead cells become trapped within them, causing a white film to cover the surface of the tongue. After alcohol leaves the mouth, it flows down the esophagus and into the stomach. If there is no solid food in the stomach, most of the alcohol moves down into the small intestine and will come in contact with the intestinal walls more easily and pass quickly into the blood. In this way, all the alcohol of one drink may be absorbed within 30 minutes. If one drinks alcohol with food in the stomach, it will be trapped with the food in the stomach, where absorption is not very efficient. It can't move into the small intestine immediately. This slows the absorption of alcohol into the bloodstream considerably, and the person will become impaired more slowly and will reach a lower peak alcohol concentration. Also, alcohol increases acid in the stomach, which, in alcohol abusers, can lead to a severe stomach pain or sores in the intestines. This is why it is a good idea to eat a nice big meal while you are drinking. In fact, the presence of fatty meals can significantly reduce the peak blood alcohol concentration, BAC, up to 50% relative to that produced when alcohol is consumed on an empty stomach. The overwhelming majority of absorption takes place in the small intestine because of the extremely large surface area of the small intestine. The cells that line the small intestine are called epithelial cells. These cells are perfect for absorption because they have fingers, which increases the surface area for absorption of nutrients and other molecules through the membranes. To be absorbed, alcohol moves across the epithelial cells, through the intestinal space, into the capillaries. The capillaries are made of endothelial cells. The biological membrane structure allows small, uncharged molecules like ethanol, CO2, and water to pass directly through the membrane by the process of diffusion. Like all internal organs, the stomach and small intestine are wrapped in a fine network of capillaries. Once alcohol crosses the intestinal space, it is carried by the bloodstream into the veins, where it can then be distributed through the cells of different organs like liver, brain, kidney, lungs, skin, and even in the unborn baby. In the brain, alcohol directly affects neurotransmitters, which control behavior and thought. It blocks chemical signals between brain cells, called neurons, leading to the common immediate symptoms of intoxication, including mood changes and impaired ability to think, impulsive behavior, slurred speech, poor memory, slowed reflexes, and coordinate movement. The effects are directly related to the amount of alcohol consumed. However, like many drugs, alcohol also stimulates the release of dopamine in your body, which tricks your body into feeling pleasure, and can, in turn, make you associate drinking alcohol with feeling great. The tricky part here is that the more you drink alcohol to get that feeling, the less dopamine your body releases. Over time, you end up being mentally hooked, forever in search of that pleasurable feeling you think that alcohol gives you. This is where addictions take hold. The main organ that processes alcohol is the liver. The liver weighs more than 3 pounds